Just got your Whoop band? Let's connect it to your phone so you can start tracking recovery, sleep, and performance right away. Step 1. Download and install the Whoop app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your Whoop account, or create a new account if you're setting it up for the first time. Step 2. Make sure your Whoop fitness tracker has battery power. If needed, attach the battery pack and charge the band before starting the setup process. Step 3. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. Keep your phone close to the Whoop band so the app can easily detect the device. Step 4. Open the Whoop app and tap Pair Device or Set up New Device. The app will begin scanning for nearby Whoop bands. Step 5. When your Whoop band appears on the screen, tap it to begin the connection process. The app will start pairing with the device. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the connection. The app may ask for permissions like Bluetooth access and background syncing. Step 7. Wear the Whoop band on your wrist and adjust it so it fits snugly. This helps the sensor accurately check heart rate, recovery, and sleep data. Step 8. Wait for the initial sync to complete. After setup, your activity, strain, and recovery data will automatically sync with the Whoop app. For more quick tech tutorials and simple step-by-step guides, follow the channel and save this video so you can come back anytime you need help.